how to open a Unicredit account online. So if you go to their website and scroll down, you will see options for remote registration and also registration in a bank branch. But if you want to open it online, you will click on Learn More here for remote registration. And it's going to work like this. You will need to contact the customer contact center on the following phone number. And after identification, you will receive a completed electronic banking services application form according to your instructions. And then you will need to sign the electronic banking services application form, which is going to give you a generated ID code and a short instruction on your email. Then what you have to do once you receive this generated ID code is to hover over online banking, and then you will click on login right here, and then you will choose login by electronically received ID code, and then here you will type the information which you received on your email, and you will have essentially created a Unicredit Bank online account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.